Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. It is Whitney here. Everybody's so excited. I just pulled out all of my Christmas stuff and we are gonna start to decorate. Thank you so much for being here and subscribe so you can hang out with me and have fun during Vlogmas this year. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Yeah. Are you excited, Lucy? So these are some of the little artificial tree options. I usually take this one to the city. I got this one at Target probably 2 years ago now. And this little one, I think I got it at Michael's. So we've had this one, I feel like for a million years. I just put it in that little urn as a base. And I love how this looks in that urn. Little tree stand. We are going to get a real tree. I typically like to put it in this area. We'll move the bookcase and put it here. We can also kind of put it over there, but I think this works best. I love all of these little bottle brush trees. Those are just so perfect to just set out everywhere. Got some Febreze Wheezy. Oh, smells so delicious. These are the 3 trees that I did my like DIY glitter thing to. I made a video on that. I will link that up in the eye and down below if you want to check that one out. Oh, look at how cute. Look at how cute this is. This is a little salt and pepper shaker that my mom got me for Christmas last year. Isn't that just so cute? Oh my gosh, look. It's a little dusty, but that is like the cutest thing in the world. So something that I really like to do every year is go to Big Lots right after Christmas. And I like to get a lot of their clearance stuff because usually everything is like 90% off. So I will go ahead and pick up a lot of like decor and things that I know I'll be using for the next season, but at like super discount. I think these would be pretty on a wreath. So I might make some wreaths that these can go on. Here's some more of those bottle brush trees, whatever they're called. Okay, so these are mostly ornaments, some more napkins. So this is that little one of my DIYs I made last year. My little tree and my sign popped off, but that's easily gluable back on. I will link that video too if you want to see how I made this thing. So these are mostly ornaments that are gonna go on the big trees. So I'm just gonna keep this intact until we get a tree. So this tub of ornaments has been passed down through the family. We're definitely gonna hang these up. I think Mark's mom made these. So we could use these on the little tree if we want. Again, I picked these up at Big Lots at the beginning of the year and these were like super discount. I didn't use these last year. This is a bunch of pre-lit garland, which comes in these type of boxes. Now, I like to wrap this stuff around my banisters, inside on the railings. This one with the pine cones, I'm going to put on the faux fireplace hearth. We'll take this one upstairs. And Mark's mom also crocheted this and made the little ornaments and like the little thing. I mean, I need to fluff this up a little bit, but this is so cute. And I love having this on the 2nd floor. I think it's time for me to part with these. They're looking not so great. I DIY'd these like in 2007. How many years ago is that? Like 13 years ago. My mom always likes to send stuffed animal ornaments all the time. It's very country and it's very sweet, but we'll find a place for him. I think my mom sent me these too, which are so cute. Super farmhouse, love it. I might hang these on the 3rd floor. Oh, we gotta get another one because we have Jackson. More lights. I don't remember if I liked these or not. I think these are like icy blue. I don't know. Put them in the light pile. We are here. Stockings. I really like this guy. I got him at, I think, Target quite a few years ago, but he stayed with us for that long. Stocking hanger. I've never actually hung them up, but I might this year. They're cute. It's so funny. I've had so many of these decorations for such a long time. Now, when I was living in Chicago, I kind of got into like stop motion animation. Don't ask me why, but I did make a little stop motion animation with these things. I will link it above if you want to see it. It's very amateur, but I had fun doing it. So these guys are staying. they'll go somewhere. This is a cute little country-ish farmhouse tree skirt. Now, if you guys wanted to make something like this, you totally could. Super duper easy. It's just burlap and then like little pom-poms along the bottom. You just cut it how you would make like a circle skirt. Super easy. But if you wanted to make something like this, you definitely could. And these are just little cheap little throws from, I think I got from Walmart, that I like to use for the puppies for Christmas. I made this when I was probably like 10 or something. I don't know. It's just, it's sentimental. It's not that cute. And these are our comfy winter flannel sheets. I will throw these in the wash. I got these little snowman ones and this plaid one from Target. And then this is one from Walmart. They work. I don't really like these. Okay, half of those work.
Christmas light strings, a 100-count string is arranged in 2 series circuits.
All right, so I've gone through and I've like tried to change out every single bulb and that didn't work. So now I am using this pen tester and trying to see if I can find the bad bulb this way. Did we find it? Oh my God, is this it? Oh, well that took a million years. I was able to fix the one strand, but the other strand I worked on for far too long. I went through all of these bulbs to try to fix it, and for some reason I kind of think that the bulbs were burning out as I was fixing it because the voltage, I don't know. And that could be possible because if you break down the voltage per bulb, it's only supposed to be like 2.5 volts per bulb. But when half of your strand is out, the lit bulbs are getting 5 volts and it's too much for that little tiny bulb. So I don't know. I don't know. I've spent far too long on trying to save these Christmas lights, but I've had these Christmas lights for years, so we're just gonna go ahead and buy some more. I got this wreath last year from Big Lots for, it's marked 15, but I'm sure I only got it for like 5. And I wanted to put this like on the front door, but I think the space between my front door and the screen door is too small, or I think this is gonna get squished. So let's try it, and then I have an idea if that doesn't work. And I forgot, these are some spaghetti squash that I grew this year, but I left these outside on accident and they froze last night. I think the big one will probably still be good. I mean, they're cold, but this one's a little soft. This one's probably toast, but I need to cook these up and eat these if they're not ruined. Let's take this one down. I love this little pumpkin wreath. I did get this at Michael's a couple years ago, but this is like my fall wreath. Hang this one up there. Close the door. Close. Yeah, it's gonna get squished. So I have an idea. I have some siding hangers. So let me go find those, and we'll see if I can hang it on the siding. So I picked these up from Amazon quite a while ago. And they're little siding hangers, so if you have vinyl siding, this little hook just kind of slips up underneath the siding, and then you can hang whatever on it. So this siding is really dirty. I should probably come out here with a broom and some soapy water and just scrub this down. But for now, let's just see if this little siding thing can work. Now, these siding panels normally come in like a 2 section, so there's usually a seam like every second like panel. So let's find out where that seam is. All right, so this is solid and this one has a seam. So let's just kind of slip it right up underneath there. Perfect. Yeah, so it just kind of like cupped up underneath the little lip of this piece of siding. Hang it. Cute. Hopefully it'll be warm in the next couple days and I can come out here and scrub down this exciting. I probably should have done that while it was still fall, Whitney, but I didn't think about it. So I think I'm gonna take these to the second floor. I really just like how they are simple, not super decorated, a little bit more Scandinavian. Second floor is gonna have like simple Scandinavian vibe. First floor is gonna have glittery red, a little bit more ornate vibes. And then third floor is gonna be like memorabilia, old vintage, like 1800s farmhouse Christmas, I think. All right, where shall we put you? Normally, I kind of want to put the tree right here where this palm is, but this palm is doing so good right here. Look at all of this new growth. I could put it here, but there's no outlet there. The nearest outlet is over here. I could move this chair and that bucket and put it here, but I'm gonna have a garland over the faux mantelpiece. So will that be too much, like garland and then tree? So I'm liking this quite a bit better. I just went ahead and put that tree in this like wooden bucket that has some kids playing on the front of it. It's like hand painted. It's so cute. And then I just have this little little naked tree next to it. Now this is usually the dog's little toy basket, so I'll have to get another toy basket for them. Now that urn's sitting a little bit higher, so I might wrap this with a little bit of burlap so it kind of is a little bit more seamless. So normally I like to have things in like threes, but this cotton over here will kind of act as the third element to this little cluster, because the garland that's going to go over the faux mantle will kind of tie in this whole thing together. All of this stuff off, put this garland up. Now this garland does need 2 big D batteries, which I don't have right now, so I will go to the store probably tomorrow, pick up some D batteries so we can get that fully lit. Like my little plaid PJs, pink sweater, pink slippies. Oh man. Found these really cool cards in an estate sale, and I guess I'm doing like a little like card game collection. All right, while I have everything off of here, I'm just going to clean this mirror with some straight cleaning vinegar. Hello! My new favorite way of cleaning any sort of glass. Normally not paper towels, more like one of those Swedish cleaning cloths, but I don't have any of those right now. So vinegar and paper towels will do the job. Is this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaning in Iowa pine? Holy cow. The smell on this is amazing. Now, I don't know if you can buy this in stores. This was actually sent to me as a gift from a friend from the Grove Collaborative. And there was a hand soap in there called Snowdrop. Holy cow. Smells so good. Iowa pine, they also make a hand soap in Iowa pine. Highly, highly recommend. So bear in mind, this is not like fluffed up or zhuzhed at all. Option 1, let the little tails hang down the sides, which I do kind of like, but the battery pack is right here, so that's going to be hanging down, and I don't love that. So I could kind of fold this back onto itself, then make the ends really, really fluffy. Let me do that, and then we'll see. I like this much better with the tails tucked in. It's just a little bit more fluffy wuffy on the corners. And then in the sparse spots, be able to tuck in some like battery powered candles like this, and then a couple other little decorations. So let's turn these little battery powered candles on. Let's turn this big light off. Super cute. So this is just like a little owl picture frame. I nestled in a chess set right there. A little domino set over here. Okay, we're getting someplace, guys. If you guys are wondering about this faux mantelpiece, I actually picked this up at Habitat for I think 20 bucks, 25 bucks. And it was in really good shape. The bottom of the legs were a little rotten, so I just cut the very bottoms of the legs off, and then I stained it up. This is just door trim, door casing. So I actually just put a coat of stain on here as I was staining everything else, and it took pretty well. It looks a little bit smudgy, but I actually like the character that this gives the trim, and I like it's like a little beat up. I don't know. Whoever made this, thank you. I like it. It is now being repurposed. So I do want to hang these up here. I don't have any sort of stocking hanger things, so I think I am just going to put a little tack nail like right up here and then hang them that way. So let's go find some tack nails in the workshop. So my mantle is 76.5 inches long, and I have 5 stockings right here that I'm going to hang. So you just take 76.5 divided by 6, because you're going to need 6 equal spaces, not 5, 6. And that comes out to be 12 3/4. So I'm going to put a little tack nail at 12 3/4 into the top up here, and then I will be hanging my stocking on that. Using these little tiny wire tack nails and this kind of hammer, because this is the only thing I could find downstairs. I really like how this is coming along. Just sitting by the TV fire. I mean, it kind of feels warm in a weird way. We are getting ready to make some dinner. I just heard Mark start up the, what is it called? Stove. I'm tired. Mark's getting ready to make some dinner, and I will see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna decorate downstairs, I think. Okay, bye.